Hi guys, welcome to another episode of my pregnancy haul unboxing video. This is probably the last one because I think I've got everything I need for my baby and for me. So let's start with this box. This is from Nordstrom. This is just one order, but they sent it separately, 2 boxes. These are just, there's nothing for me here. These are just for the baby boy. And I think, as I have remembered, these are just clothes for him. And I think I've got him covered in terms of clothes for the next 6 months, probably, hopefully. So I don't know what this is. This is two-piece, LOL. What did you say? Two-piece set for 3 months. 3 months old baby. Okay, there's just one in that box, and the rest are here. Okay, this one. Let's put this like that, I think. Oh, sorry, people dropped it on the floor. That's that one. Look how cute that is. And this is for newborn babies. So cute. Okay, another one. Aww. This is for 3 months old. Oh, that's the that's for the legs. I have it backwards. For 3 months old. And then this one is for newborn baby. With a pair of this. Another cute one. What about this? What is this? Another for newborn, I think. Oh, it says 12 months. I don't know. That is so tiny. Look. So tiny. I don't know. Maybe. Depending on how big your baby's gonna grow, probably. And what about this? Oh, it's just a infant 4-piece gift set. One hat, a pair of mittens, one bib, and a pair of socks. Ah, so cute. Cutie cutie. Okay, there's more. I don't know how many I ordered, but there's a shipping of, like, I think you have to order like $89. Then you can get a free shipping. So I think that's how much I ordered this. But these are all on sale, so they're not really that much. I think most of these clothes are like $7 to $9. This one also is for 3 months. 3 months old. Another pair. And a few more left. That's actually cute too. I think everything is cute. I don't know. 12 months. Okay. This is 3 months. For 3 months old. Another pair. Shorts and a shirt. Yeah, I think baby boy is mostly covered with all the clothes that he needs for the next 6 months. This is 6 months old swimwear. Huh, yeah, I guess he can swim. We have a jacuzzi. I don't know if babies are allowed in a hot tub. I'm not sure. I have to read about that or ask my doctor. This is another one of those, the 4-piece gift set: a hat, a mittens, and bib, and a pair of socks, just different color. And these are just 20 pairs of socks for 3 to 12 months. 20 pairs. Wow, that's a lot. Okay. On to the next one. This is from Amazon. Oh, this is for me. This is sadly like a adult diaper. After probably when I gave birth, and there's probably gonna be a lot of bleeding. So I bought this, and I'll put some of these in my hospital bags. Yeah. And this one, I don't remember. Okay. So these are just covers, like sheet. I bought a little, it's actually, I forgot to put it, grab it and bring it here, but I bought like a mattress, like a mattress for the crib, and this is just like the sheet to cover it. Yeah, a little sheet. There's 3 of them. Okay, so that mattress, baby mattress, got the sheets already. And this, I don't remember. Oh, yeah, this is for me. This is Shein again, because I like Shein because it's okay. The quality is okay, and they're cheap, so I can work with that. This is how'd you call this? Maternity bras that you can take, and you can take this off when you're like breastfeeding. I actually have like I have like Victoria's Secrets. I bought like 6 of them, but the other 3 were really like, they became really small, so I gave it away to my cousin, and I only have 3 left. And I'm waiting for Black Friday, and because they don't go on sale, like Victoria's Secret, they always have sale, like underwears and bras, but not the maternity ones. They're like always full price. So hopefully by Black Friday they have I don't know, they go on sale. Here's me hoping, so I can buy more, because I like their bras. They're very durable, they last forever. And I think I have 2 of those. I ordered 2 of those. Maternity bra. Yeah, here's the other one. Ta-da! Okay. And there's baby clothes in here too. I think I've bought so much baby clothes. And these are for me. These are from the last video. The dress that I really liked, but it was too big, so I returned it and I ordered a smaller one. And ta-da! Hopefully this one's not too big anymore. If it is, then whatever, I'll just keep it, because I think I probably have, how many? Probably 5 to 6 weeks more. And today we went to the doctor, and thank God everything's going well. Baby boy's now in position. The head is already down there. That's probably why it's killing me, because my legs is really hurting every day. So I think the baby is pushing. And this one also is from the last video that I from my last unboxing video. It was also too big, so I ordered a smaller size. And I think this one looks good already. I mean the size. Yeah, that's really cute. And the rest are just baby clothes. I'll show you guys. First, I need milk. It's so cute. Another one. Mr. Steal Your Girl. Oh, you better watch out. Another one. Milk Gangsta. Oh. And this one, Mom, low battery, baby fully charged after breastfeeding. Okay, last one from Shein. Oh, this is a three-piece baby clothes. 1, 2, and 3. Look how cute are they. So cute. Okay. This, I bought a laundry basket for the baby boy. And what's inside is, this is from Burlington. I went last week, so that was probably my last shopping to the mall because I am really having a hard time walking right now. My legs is just killing me. So I bought this because I don't know why. It's on sale. Of course, when it's on sale. It's for 3 months old, and that's for the baby, and this is for me. Oh my god, look how big that is. It's so sad and funny that this is so big. Is that Calvin Klein? I don't know. Yeah, it's Calvin Klein. But it's only $6. Another one. What is this? Oh, another big one for the mommy. This is $10. I'm once again getting ready for winter because it's getting really cold now. It's starting to get cold. This is not really for pregnancy, but I really like the color, and but I think it'll fit me. $13. Another big shorts. Oh. Oh, it's so funny. $12. What is that? Oh shit. Oh, I should not swear. I just bought this because we already have 2, but I want like the wood one. Because what we have in the kitchen is like plastic, so I need another one that is so cute and small, like just not the big one, the right size. Okay. Oh, another one for the winter. Look how big that is. Okay, what else is in here? Another big shorts for my big belly. And more baby clothes. Woohoo! Pants and because I just realized I don't have like a lot of like the one with the sleeves on it. So I'm like, December is really cold, so I should buy more of those. And oh, look at this one. My first Christmas. Oh, so cute. Because he is a December baby, and this one I bought. Look at that! Oh my god! He's gonna be wearing this on the Christmas day, Christmas night, whatever. Oh, they're so cute. What else? Guys, so big. Pregnancy shorts. And oh, the rest are just for me. About lotions because I'm running out, and they're like so cheap, so I'm like, huh, why not? I'm using like a lotion from a Nivea lotion from Amazon, but I went there and I found them, and they're like, the price is not too bad, so I'm like, okay, might as well do this. Another one, Dove body lotion, and it's only $5, so I'm like, okay, whenever we can save, we should grab it. Another Cetaphil, which is only $9, and comparable value is $11, so even if you just save $1, $1 is $1. A saving is a saving. Just a bar soap that I like, Dove. And what else? Under eye patches, that is only $2. Because we need to stay beautiful. Bottle stopper for my wine when I can finally drink them. And just this the last one, ginger honey tea. Oh, honey ginger tea, turmeric flavor, and honey ginger tea, caffeine free. They're both caffeine free. Yeah, so that's it for our unboxing video. These are just this is just the laundry basket for all the clothes that I bought for the boy, the baby boy. And I think we're good. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. See ya.